Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official Granimate trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. In this video we're going to have a look about how to group fan different fixtures. So what does it mean? Maybe we have 3 different fixtures. So we can bring them on and now go position, press the align button, like this, and turn the pan. Now we can align them. That's cool. But what is if we have, for example, 6 fixtures and we want to spread them out in a grouping of 3? So now let's select 3 fixtures. And here comes the trick. Go to the MA tricks. Let's say grouping of 3. And now press the align button. Now you can align them in a grouping of 3. This will also work, for example, with 4 lights and to create a alignment of 2. So let's say we are selecting 4 lights, and if we align them, now we can only align them in the different grouping of 4. But let's jump back, create a MA tricks with a X grouping of 2, and now press align. And now we can fade them out in a grouping of 2 if you want. This will work in a lot of circumstances. For example, not only with 4 or 8 lights, it will work also with 1,000 lights. I hope this was helpful for you. If you think it's good, then please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.